Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn a poem from the lesson 5, Tommy's 5 senses. I hope that you all know how many sense organs do you have? How many sense organs do you have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs, isn't it? And you know that how they help you, isn't it? Do you know how do they help you? So, those who don't know, let us see through this poem how they help us. And here it is a poet is written about Tommy's 5 senses, and in the same way it's also help us. Okay, shall we see? Take the page number 58. Tommy's 5 senses. Tommy's ears help him to hear. Tommy's ears help him to hear. Isn't it? Yes, our ears also is helping us to hear and keep his balance too. And what is another help by the ear? Yes, it will keep the balance of our body. If there is no balance of our ear, means we can't even stand, isn't it? So that it gives balance for our body. Tommy's eyes help him to see. And what is the help of these eyes? Yes, it will help us to see the things. If something's red or blue, and so that we could identify the colors, red or blue or green or whatever it is, we could identify through the help of these eyes. Tommy's hand helps him to touch. Tommy's hand helps him touch. What is the use of hands? Yes, it will help him to touch and know just how things feel. And know just how things feel. So by touching, we could identify what is the feeling of it. Or if you are going and touching on the flame of that candle, means what we will feel hot, and if we touch on an ice, we will feel cool, isn't it? So our hands help him to touch and feel what is that. Tommy's tongue help him taste. And what is the use of tongue? It will help us to taste the taste of the different food items, if it is sweet or sour or bitter, whatever it is that we feel through the help of the tongue. A sour lemon peel, if it is a lemon we are tasting, we will feel sour. Tommy's nose help him smell. And what is the use of nose? It will help us to identify the smell of the different food items, flowers, isn't it? Yes. If the smell of flower and the smell of different food items, all these we could identify through the help of nose. The food he likes to chew, that we can smell and identify the food that we like to chew. Tommy's senses help him think, decide and learn to do. So this all has sense organs is helping this Tommy for what? To think and to take a decision and to learn the new things. Tommy have 5 senses as this picture of him shows. In the picture you can see that Tommy is sitting there. Did you see? So in the picture you can see he is eating something and he is understanding the taste of that, and he there is a food prepared and kept there so that he could identify the smell of it, and he is looking at that color and he could understand the color of the things that he eats, and he is touching on the cat. Did you see? So that he could identify what is that. Yes or no? Yes, in the picture shows in the same way Tommy's 5 senses are working. Tommy's helpers are, which are the Tommy's helpers? Ears and eyes and hands and tongue and nose. So the poem is written by anonymous. Anonymous means it is not a poet. The poet is not declared his names. That's why here it is writing anonymous. It is not the name of poet. Okay. So did you understand the meaning of this poem? So shall we sing together? Keep your finger under each line. Take the page number 58. Tommy's 5 senses. Tommy's ears help him to hear and keep his balance too. Tommy's eyes help him see if something red or blue. Tommy's hand helps him touch and know just how things feel. Tommy's tongue helps him taste a sour lemon peel. Tommy's nose helps him smell the food he likes to chew. Tommy's senses help him think, decide and learn to do. Tommy has 5 senses as this picture of him shows. Tommy's helpers, ears and eyes and hands and tongue and nose. Okay. Shall we sing together? Tommy's ears help him to hear and keep his balance too. Tommy's eyes help him to see if something red or blue. Tommy's hand helps him touch and know just how things feel. Tommy's tongue helps him taste a sour lemon peel. Tommy's nose helps him smell the food he likes to chew. Tommy's senses help him think, decide and learn to do. Tommy has 5 senses as this picture of him shows. Tommy's helpers, ears and eyes and hands and tongue and nose. Okay. So learn the 8 lines of this poem and practice it. Okay. Now we will move to the exercise A. Take the page number 59. Now look at the exercise A. Match the columns. Tommy's ears, Tommy's eyes, Tommy's hands, Tommy's tongue, Tommy's nose. Help him to touch and feel. Helps him to taste his food. Help him to hear and keep his balance. Helps him to smell the food that he chews. Help him to see beautiful colors. And Tommy's ears help him to hear. So write here exercise option C. Help him to hear and keep his balance. Tommy's eyes help him to see beautiful colors. E. Tommy's hands help him to touch and feel. Tommy's tongue help him to taste his food. Tommy's nose helps him to smell the food that he chews. Clear? Now look at the exercise question answer. Answer these questions. How many helpers does Tommy have? How many helpers does Tommy have? Tommy has 5 helpers. How many helpers? 5 helpers. Name the helpers that Tommy has. Which are they? Tommy's helpers are his eyes, ears, nose, tongue and hands. Why are Tommy's senses called his helpers? Why are Tommy's senses called his helpers? senses are called as a helpers. Why? Tommy's senses are called his helpers because they help him to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Okay. Exercise C. Pick out rhyming pairs of words from the poem. Write them on the blanks. So first one, the keep him balanced to blue, then feel, peel, then what else? Chew, do, shows, nose. Okay, these are the rhyming words. Next one, take turns to recite the poem with actions. Try to make your actions lovely and funny. So you can practice, sing and practice this at home. Okay. Okay children, I hope you understood the poem and exercises. So study well and prepare for your test. So I have completed the first semester lessons. So prepare well and practice at home. Be safe.